So if you've been following the JD and AH situation and you are a fan of JD, you probably like his chances. I got to say, I think things are going very, very well for him, especially after today when he brought on a bunch of experts and they all kind of proved that, yes, what she did ruined his career. And they brought on experts and people that were good with numbers and trends and stats to show that, she absolutely did. This whole thing has been a losing situation for her, at least from what I've seen. Now, anything can happen. It's a jury trial. So, take my excitement with a grain of salt, because at the end of the day, the verdict could come out in favor of her. If that even happens, because guess what? Breaking news, AH expected to file motion to toss JD $50 million case. Required move expected to fail. So apparently this is a required move. I think they desperately want this thrown out because it's bad for her. This entire case is just blown up in her face. The fact that she had to fire her PR team because all of these headlines are so bad really said something. She had to get a PR team that was experienced in smearing the man. I mean, think about that. But she's going to file to dismiss the case. So let's go through this. Exclusive. Attorneys for AH are planning to ask a Virginia judge on Tuesday to dismiss JD's $50 million defamation case against their client. However, the defense team is almost certain to come up short, and they know it. Under the statutes of the Old Dominion, lawyers for the defense in civil cases essentially are required, and they put that in quotations, as one legal source told us, to enter a motion to strike once the plaintiff has wrapped up their case and witnesses. Zeroing in on the specific claims of plaintiff JD and evidence presented to support said claims, AD's legal team, led by Elaine Bredoff and Ben Rottenborn, likely will make the motion Tuesday before the judge to agree with, reject, or take under advisement, we hear. With the jury taken out of the courtroom, lawyers for both sides will have an allotted shortish time to make their points to the judge. After that, unless she makes the unlikely decision to axe the case, the judge will tell the attorneys she's either immediately refusing the motion to strike or taking some time to think about it. She will then call the jury back in for the defense to commence its case. Oh, that's awful. How is that justice? So it's all up to the judge. The judge can now decide to dismiss the case when it's already going. That, I would hope, is unlikely. And it's really, in my opinion, kind of effed up that she has the power to dismiss this case. This needs to go all the way through, because I feel really good about his chances, and I think he has a good shot to win this trial. I really do. So imagine if the judge strikes this down, and apparently she has the power to do that. Oh man, I would be pretty upset, and I don't think I'd be the only one. It'd be awful. So I don't know. The fact that the slap got slapped down and that was up to the judge makes me think that she won't do this. There is a chance that it could happen, and that to me is bullshit. Now, Deadline is saying here that it is pretty much assured to be unsuccessful in this high-profile matter. The motion's primary point is to assure certain appeal rights to the defense if necessary. Reps for her AH and her lawyers had no comment on the probable move when contacted by Deadline today. And that's pretty much it. I think regardless, no matter how this turns out, there's going to be appeals. If JD wins, AH will definitely appeal 100%. And if she wins, he'll likely appeal too. This could end up being a very lengthy trial if that happens. But if he wins, I mean, certainly that would be a great thing. And, then is Elon going to fund another round? I guess that's kind of the question. So, breaking news. She's going to try to get this dismissed, and the judge could choose to do it. And I would be pretty upset, and I don't think I'd be the only one if that were to happen. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Also, if you would, please like, subscribe, share the video. Make sure you're still subscribed. Hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Also, if you want to help support the channel, check out my Teespring store. There's a link in the description. You can find some merchandise in there that you might want to check out. Also, make sure to follow me over on Twitch. I do watch parties, play video games over there. They're always fun. Follow me over there and come hang out. Also, make sure you subscribe to YellowFlash, my other channel. There's a link to that in the description as well. I do a lot of live streams over there that I don't do on this channel. Usually smaller and a little bit more personal. So make sure you follow me over there and sign up.